Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me today for another demonstration. I've got a mask here from our circle set. I'm going to pop that down first of all, and then let's take a stencil brush, and I'm going to be using Della Blue from our Elements range. Let's just pop a bit on there. I'm going to dab a bit off. They are quite juicy. And all I'm going to do is just start swirling around the edge, just very lightly. Keep a firm pressure to stop that movement. And then taking the Warm Breeze, I'm going to ink at this lovely fern-shaped branch. And I'm going to pop that down around about there and just follow that up and around. And I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. It's a lovely, lovely fine branch. And then we've got another little branch, and this time I'm inking up in the medieval blue. It's quite a strong blue, sort of a bluey purple. So I'm going to just stamp off first. We don't want to take our eye away from the focal point being our lovely proud stag. And then lastly I'm going to bring in some little berries just to add a hint of colour, and this time I'm inking up in the Glamorous. All I'm doing is just adding a hint. I don't want too much going on, it's just that hint of colour. And it's all about layering. So we've got our lovely stag, and I'm going to actually stick to the twilight. I'm not using black, keeping it blue. Make sure that he is completely covered. It's quite a large silhouette. And you can see there it's a little bit faint on his back, so I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the twilight on a brush and just go over the top. Always try and use the same colour if you're touching up, just because it can stand out otherwise. So I'm going to add a little bit more depth down here, so I'm going back to my Della Blue. It doesn't look like he's floating anymore. So moving on to the yellow now, I'm just going to give a hint of that lovely yellow there in the background, which makes him stand out even more, that glow around him. And then I'm going to take our stencil. This is the, I think it's the stone stencil. And I'm going to go back to our Della Blue. And all I'm going to do is just lightly brush over that stencil. I literally just want to give a hint, that stencil. I literally just want to give a hint colour, not much. And I'll do the same on this side. Hold it firmly. And again, just brush over the top. Okay, so we can put a little verse on as well. What have we got here? Red leaves fall as silence calls, goodbye autumn, hello winter. I'm going to stamp off. I just want it to be very subtle. There we go. Lastly, I'm going to put a little bit of sparkle on. So I've got my glue pen here, and then I'm just going to dot in and around that lovely foliage. And then we've got our holographic glitter here, colours in that glitter, and you can see that. I think they're amazing, and it's a very coarse glitter, so that's why you get such a good sparkle on it. Well, thank you once again for joining me today for another demonstration. See you soon, take care, bye for now.